Today, we are going to be focusing on subtracting fractions with unlocked denominators. So just like when we add fractions with unlocked denominators, I have to make my denominators match first. And by being able to do that, I can figure out what my difference or my sum will be. So, with 7 and 3, are either one of them a multiple of the other? No. So I'm going to do the trick that I know. I'm going to multiply my denominators together, and I'm going to get 21. But now I have to figure out how to get from 3 to 21. I went by 7. From 7 to 21, I went by 3. So as above, so below. What happens to one, the other must show. You have to multiply by the same fraction on the top and bottom in your numerator and denominator going across the problem. And then you're going to use the opposite denominator. So if you did 3 first, you're going to flip and do 7. And do 7 in your numerator and your denominator. So now that I know 12 21st minus 7 21st, I can subtract that. My denominator doesn't change because it's just telling me how many pieces out of the whole are being used. 12 minus 7. What is 12 take away 7? What is 12 take away 7? Right, it's 5. So my difference is 5 21st. And this answer cannot simplify down. It cannot go to a smaller number, so I know I'm done. Let's look at number 4. 5/8 minus 1/4. Do I have a multiple as one of my denominators? Yeah, I do. Is 4 the multiple? No, it's 8. 4 is a factor of 8. So I can leave 5/8 alone. How many 4s does it take to make 8? You're so smart. It's 2. So I have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2. 5/8 minus 2/8 equals, You're right, 3/8. You are so smart. Now, let's look at number 8. 2/3 minus 1/2. They've already helped me out here and given me a clue that I can use. They're telling me that neither one is a multiple of the other. They're telling me I have to multiply my denominators together to find a common denominator between the two. So 3 times 2 is 6. That's what they're telling me. So 3 times 2 is 6. So 2 times 2 is, right, it's 4. 2 to 6. 2 to 6. How do I get from 2 to 6? I multiply by, from 2 to 6, I have to multiply by 3. I have to multiply by 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. 4/6 minus 3/6 equals, right, 1/6. Now, I want to look at another type of problem. I call these problems thinky problems because they're designed to make us think. I'm going to look at number 21. Find two fractions with a difference of 1/5, but neither denominator is equal to 5. So what it's asking me to do is to be able to subtract by a multiple of 5 that will simplify down to 1/5. I know I have a secret I can use. I can find a denominator that 5 shares with another number, right? My denominator can't be 5, but it has to come back down to 5. So let's think. Can't be 5, so 5, 10. Can I use tenths? Yeah, I can. So I'm going to say something tenths minus something tenths equals something tenths. Because right now I'm still dealing with the same denominator. I know a trick. I'm going to say 1/5 equals blank tenths, since that's the denominator I chose. That's the one I have to work with. How many 5s does it take to make 10? How many 5s does it take to make 10? Oh, you're so smart. It's 2. So I know something has to equal 2 tenths because that will go down to 1/5. What minus what gives me 2? You can pick any number. Let's look at 8 tenths minus 2 gives me 6. 8 tenths minus 6 tenths gives me 2 tenths. Do you agree with that statement? You can pick any number within the tenths as long as it will subtract down to 2. As long as your minuend and your septuagint will subtract down to the difference of 2. You are good to go. I hope this has helped, and I'll see you guys again really soon. Bye.